went to Ulta today. I also went to Bath and Body Works. You'll see that in a separate video, the Bath and Body Works haul. And sorry about my hair. I really need it done, but I'm trying to grow it out and let it get healthier. So I got my favorite lashes. These are the Kiss So Wispy lashes in the number 11. And these are really good if you wear glasses because they're not going to touch the rim of your glasses. And what I like about them is they're tapered inside, and they're more wispy on the outside and like kind of cat eye shaped, and they're really good. I've got the NYX Dazed and Diffused Blurring Lipstick, and I got it in the shade Unwind, which is a kind of like a mocha espresso brown, which I've been needing a new brown lip pencil, so I'll show you guys a swatch. It's just like a 90s. It kind of reminds me of what Elaine wears on Seinfeld. It's just like, and it comes with this lip liner brush too if you want to do it on the outside of your lips. I got this Fresh Raspberry Body Shop shower gel. It smells amazing. And I like the Body Shop. I think I'm about to start buying them more often than I do Bath and Body Works sometimes, because they're like vegan, and I've used every Body Shop I've tried is really good. I got some Garnier Micellar cleansing water. I use this to remove my intense eye makeup, especially like bright colorful pigments, and it also removes like eyelash glue and stuff like that. I got this new Undone Lip to Cheek palette blush in the color 310 Rosy, and it's just a cream blush that you can also put on your lips. And let's swatch it if I can get it open. Good thing I have these little scissors right here for eyebrows. Not eyebrows. Oh, it's a really creamy formula. Oh, that's really pretty. I did the worst swatch. That's really pretty, like natural flush. I've been needing some new cream blushes. That was $12. It was in the drugstore section. Undone Beauty is apparently a new brand. I got a Colourpop Super Shock Shadow in the shade, oh, this is Ladybird. That's funny, I just rebought it. It's just repackaged for the whatever Buzz collection or Dragonfly collection, whatever they call it. And I'll give you a swatch of this. I just finished one. Ladybird is like my favorite shade from Colourpop. I've always got to have a fresh one because it's just your effortless, creamy, glittery. You can top things with this or what. You can use it as a glittery highlighter. It's amazing. So really happy with that. And then I just got some Kiss Lash Glue Liner. This is my favorite lash glue, guys. It's latex free and it's got aloe in it, so it's soothing. And it's clear. It's formaldehyde free. It's the best for your... It's waterproof and it holds super strong. It's the best lash glue in my opinion. So yeah, that was all of my Ulta haul. I'm sorry I didn't film in the store with you. I just feel really awkward doing that because there's not a whole lot of like YouTubers and stuff in my area. I don't know. Nobody probably would have cared, but I just feel awkward filming in the stores.